Are you ready to expand your reach and tap into new markets? Translating your videos into different languages makes your videos accessible to a global audience. In this video, I'll show you how to use an online translation tool to quickly translate YouTube subtitles into different languages so you can get more views and maximize engagement. Create a free account for the online video editor called Capwing. I'll include a link to Capwing in the description below this video. Click Create New Project. You can upload your video file here or enter the URL of your YouTube video in the box here. So I'm going to paste it. Now it's fetching the video. Click on Subtitles. Now we're going to transcribe the video by generating subtitles. Click on Generate Subtitles. I recommend translating it into English first to correct any mistakes, then translating it into a different language after that. If you want to translate it right away, you can click on the drop down here and choose from any of these different languages from all around the world. I'm just going to use the original language, so click Generate Subtitles. It says please wait while the transcription is generated. After all the subtitles have been generated, you can correct any mistakes. Here are all the subtitles that it's generated, so you can just go through it and correct any mistakes. When you're happy with the transcript, you can click on this arrow and save it as a SRT file, which you can upload to YouTube. This will generate subtitles for your video in the original language, and closed captions will appear under your video. So people that are hard of hearing or have the sound turned off can read the captions while watching the video. You can also save it as a text file and upload it to your blog or website and embed your video. To translate it into a different language, click on this icon, click the drop down that says select the language. I'm going to choose Spanish, click Translate. Now it's translating the video. While the video is being translated into Spanish, keep in mind your video can be translated into multiple different languages to reach a wider audience. As you can see here, the video is being translated into Spanish. If I click on this icon, I can now play the video. As you can see, closed captions have been added to the bottom of the video. You can enhance your captions by choosing a different font size, change the text color, choose a different text outline, use a different background color. If I click on animations, then I can choose different colored animations. If I play the video, you'll see that the words are highlighted as I speak the words. If you want to remove the closed captions that Capwing has put on your video, just highlight this bar, tap delete on the keyboard. It says remove magic subtitles. This will remove the magic subtitles for this asset from the project. Click remove. Now the closed captions have been removed. If you want to save the video with the closed captions on your video, just click export project. Select the format, MP4. Resolution, we'll just set it to auto. Click export as MP4. Now Capwing is processing the video. When it's finished processing, you can copy the link, share it with Twitter, Facebook, or embed the video, or you can download the file. That little ring means that the video has finished processing. Click download file. Here's the downloaded file that it can upload to YouTube. Here's how to upload your SRT file to YouTube containing timestamps, so YouTube video will display closed captions and subtitles in Spanish. Click on Subtitles in YouTube Studio, then select the video that you wish to translate. I'm going to click on this one. Click Add Language. I'm going to select Spanish, United States. Click Upload File. You can select with timing or without timing, but without timing is only available for the video's original language. So I'm selecting with timing. Click Continue. Select the SRT file. Click Open. You can see the closed captions under the video. Click Publish. Now you can see that the Spanish translation has been published. Let's play the video. Click on closed captions, then you can see the English closed captions are under the video. If I click on settings, click the arrow next to English United States, I can select Spanish. Now if I play the video, the Spanish closed captions will be under the video. You could select auto translate, but it won't be that accurate. If the viewer wants to see captions in a different language, click the cog icon, click the arrow next to English United States, click auto translate, then select the language. For example, Hindi. And now you'll see closed captions in the Hindi language. Keep in mind that if you don't upload a transcript for YouTube video, viewers will be unable to auto-translate the content of your video. This means they won't be able to view the captions in a different language. Keep in mind, videos that are captioned will see an increase in watch time, and videos that are being translated into different languages will reach a wider audience. What if you want to translate YouTube comments to English on your mobile phone? Watch this video on the screen right now on how to easily translate YouTube comments to English on mobile. You'll be glad you did.